what's going on? So I finally made it to WPPI. I ran across a couple people that I knew, a couple of y'all so far, and pretty much, I haven't been here in about 10 years, about 12 years. So now I'm just looking forward to getting something to eat. I'm starving. I thought the trade show was today, so I came in with this nice fly outfit. I had to hurry up and take it off because I didn't want too many people seeing me with that on. So I had to, dress a little basic, you know what I mean, for now. And then Tuesday, on the day of the trade show, then I'll hit the floor, so fresh and so clean. So, hey, I'm just checking in with you, and we're going to see what we get into. So I'm at the Mirage Hotel, leaving, about to go get something to eat. Link up with my boy DP. He's also here from Ohio, and we're just gonna see exactly what it is. Now, he wants to eat healthy. Now, me on the other end, I'm not in the mood to eat healthy.
What's going on, brother?
What's going on?
Mr. YouTube. I could have made a better one. But
Listen, how is it tasting though?
it's not up to DP standards.
But,
It'll do.
okay,
Because we ain't eat.
right.
Beggars can't be choosers, right?
Now, this is what I got.
Yours do look good, though.
So after that, I met up with the squad, and this is what we got into.
How you feel?
I feel great.
Feel great?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel blessed.
You feel blessed?
Mhm.
Highly favored?
Highly favored.
All that.
God's favorite.
Hey.
Can I get some stuff, please?
You want
No, I'm gonna do it, but this one.
Well, let me get out. Let me
you
go.
going?
You facing it back the other way?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, go ahead. I asked bro to set his light up. He said, "Nah, son."
No.
Hey, that's how you go.
I pour my own troubles.
Yeah.
I can't bear it in my damn neck. Loki, why would you have a modern light on this whole time?
Huh?
It went off
Oh,
and
okay.
nobody turned it back on. You want this? You want a reflector? Yep. I can do that for you. The privilege enough to do that
Right, yeah. Yep, sorry.
for you. If I need to move.
Perfect. All right, hold on. I gotta
Hey.
get my light right, but
Oh. But you about to get those colors in the background?
yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
You gonna pull him up?
You ain't about to get no shots, dog?
Hold on.
My bad. When I holding it right, my fault. My bad. I'm over here trying to get beat.
Hey.
How you want it?
You ain't doing your job right.
Oh, you act. My bad. Let me stop recording.
Yeah, that's two, man. That ISO one, yeah. I had to put that thing up.
How's that one do a low light?
Oh yeah, this one way better, yeah. Way better.
Only we have one song. Yes, two songs. Okay. That means if he don't get that C9, he might go with A1 for A.
Hey, that back.
Thank you, Greg. Great. Now we stayed up late early.
Man.
Hold on, man. I'm get you back. I'm listening to your thing. What's your